Okay.
It's stupid. It's stupid. Don't feel guilty. There's no need to feel guilty because five fingers, the fingerprints are not alike.
Exactly.
And your success depends upon your attitude and what terrain knowledge. See, because what you might learn today will be overrun if it's on the IT side or any other skill. Things are changing. Things are changing.
And a question to complete this, uh, we being Skills Factory, we definitely support learning. We support online learning in sync with your passion. But my question is, what is it actually required? What are the skills required to face COVID-19 or the lockdown or post the lockdown? What is it going to be? If you ask me, just correct me, sir. Just certain things on a personal level, you need a little bit of finance management. You need to prioritize funds. You need to curb expenses. You need funds handling. I think this is on financial grounds. I think this is the most important skill that is required for any family or anything for that matter, or even for any business. But what is your opinion on this, sir? What you would say is the right way to look at this?
One is if you are in a debt trap and you want to come out,
Right.
ensure that every day, whichever time you are going to go to bed, look at your account. Your
Right.
account should say what you have spent
Right.
and what is the revenue you plan to generate from
Right.
there.
Right.
So have a look at that before you
Right.
hit the sack because
Right.
it works in the subconscious mind.
Right.
One. Wasteful expenditures, hold back to it. And I didn't get the other part of the question. Like you're saying, what should the families do? Is that what
No,
you're
sir. I'm just saying that on a personal level,
Acha.
what qualities or skills will make me face COVID-19 or post-COVID better?
Okay. So medically, I don't have to tell you know it to build the
Right.
immunity. You know that a lot of things are going around regarding breathing, etc.,
Right.
the diet and all that.
Right.
But the mindset to prepare yourself
Mm-hmm.
for anything which is unexpected, like what happened,
Right.
because the future is going to be with a lot of ups and downs.
Right.
So be ready if you walk into office and you're going to get a pink slip.
So can you say that again?
Be ready when you walk into office and they say you're going to get a pink slip.
Oh, okay.
You're going to,
Okay.
we are firing you. You know, the mindset, oh, is it so fantastic? How nice. You know, that should be the attitude. வடிவேல் joke மாதிரி என்ன அடிக்கிறேன்னு சொன்னீங்க வரவே இல்லையே அப்படின்னு.
Okay,
Because
that is
you
one way to
you
look
can
at
lose
it.
your money, you can lose
Okay.
your money, you can lose a little bit of your health, you can lose a little bit of A, B, C, D.
Right.
But don't lose your Josh.
Right. Right.
You know, the attitude to never say die. You know, live and
Okay.
let live, but be strong. That's what I would say. This pandemic scene should make people strong.
Right.
So
Right.
strong that you are all like mercenaries, like commandos.
Right.
Mentally at least, if not physically, at
Right.
least mentally, ready to take any challenge,
Right.
anything, come what may. But I'm going to take it with a smile, even if I'm going to be shoved with a, you know, with a dagger, you know, behind. Yeah,
Right.
I'm
right,
going to take
right.
it now. I know it sounds very idealistic. It might sound stupid, but if you can't do it 100%, at least get a pass mark in this.
Right. Right.
At least get a decent second, you know,
Right.
because
Right.
this is what is going to take you post COVID.
Right. Right.
Because just look at it. I'll give you an example. Just look at it. You're in a good mood, but your Josh is not strong.
Mhm.
You go out and the policeman shouts at you.
Very relatable.
Something happens. So
Yeah.
then it gets. You said, "What the hell? I am doing something good, and why this should happen?"
Right.
If that sets in, that is the poison. If you allow it to set in,
Right.
more than a traffic jam or anything, and then you go to meet your client or you go to meet your boss or you're going for a meeting, that is going to show.
Right.
That is going to show, and that will show in a negative way. On the other hand, if you can wash it away, brush it aside, you say, I'm not going to let this day be spoiled
Right.
because someone shouted at me. I'm not
Right.
going to be this day to be spoiled because my chapel something happened or someone put a scratch on my car.
Right.
You know, that Josh, if you can get, we can see 100 pandemic.
Right.
It's a warrior spirit. It's a
Right.
warrior spirit. And everyone out here who are listening to the program, you know,
Right.
you know, I look at yourself like a spiritual warrior.
Right.
Look at yourself, you know. Yeah, everyone is going to die one day. There's no point in getting frustrated, you know.
Little heartbreaking,
moment,
sir.
yeah, the moment you get frustrated, I'll give you a technique. The
Okay.
moment you know that frustration has set in, take 5 deep breaths.
Okay.
I would even say go smoke.
Okay.
Take 5 deep puffs. You know, that's,
Okay.
I would say, they would say, what sort of a guru you are, you know.
Disruptive one, sir, you are. Disruptive one, sir.
Disruptive. Yes, I am a disruptive guru. I'll say, rather than, you know, or உட்கார்ந்துட்டு பம்மிக்கிட்டே ஒரு மாதிரி போய் உட்கார்றதோட நல்ல, if possible, I enjoy the oxygen. So take 2 deep breaths and just use whatever cuss word you want to use, just get it out of your system. Don't let the day spoil you. This is the best tool, this is the best way to face the pandemic.
Right.
And
right.
give time for the officials to come out of their madness, you know.
Right, right. Sir, I think overall the structure of your suggestions has been really good in terms of handling different stages or different classes of work, and then again personally with respect to relationships, and of course the thing about this overrated online education and how to streamline things with respect to that, and what kind of courses to do, and how to select those courses, and if at all you actually want to do it and don't feel guilty anywhere. Of course, the key takeaway for me would be this pregnant year strategy, and of course the last one, like just get things out of your system. These are 2 key takeaways for me. But one last question I would like to ask you, sir. I mean, I would rather keep it very simple. Everything teaches us something. I believe in that, and I'm sure you are in pretty much sync with that, sir. Everything teaches us something. Tell me one value this lockdown has taught us, and that you think we should take it forward for our future. What would that be? One value.
Don't trust all that you hear.
Okay.
Don't trust all that you read or hear.
Okay.
Use your self-awareness to find out the truth.
All right. All right.
I would say don't trust what you read or hear, or what even I might say.
Okay.
Use your awareness to find out the truth, because things are not the same.
Right. Right.
One thing what I learned not to trust.
Okay. Okay.
And it might sound negative, but rather let me put it in a positive way.
Okay.
See whether what you have understood is correct.
Okay.
Rather than saying don't trust,
Mm-hmm.
see whether what you are understanding from what is happening is correct.
Absolutely.
Be it a virus, or be it a medical system, or be it the financial system, or whatever. Just
Right.
see, cross-check. One value addition what I got is to always cross-check whether I have understood it correctly. Is this right? No, it could be a little, like a speed breaker, but it helps. It saves a lot. It saves everything. It
Sir,
will save your
between,
day and everything.
I would like to add one thing. That one thing is my followers have been simply loving you. I can see the number of hearts that you have been getting. Even if I come live with a lot of other people, I have not seen this many hearts. So that many hearts is how many hearts my followers have been, or our followers have been giving for this session. I mean, I just wanted to make sure that you get to know, and I don't miss that point. So yes, sir.
Oh, fantastic. And thank you all. Love you all. Be safe. Be good.
Sir, first thing is, on a very personal note, thank you so much for taking the time out to spend with the Skills Factory family, and we would definitely, I mean, on a personal scale, you are more like an inspiration. You are more like we look up to do certain things the way you do. So it's going to be like, I'm sure you're going to guide us all the way through. And it's been a really fantastic and very, very informing and enthusiastic session. The minute I said the more hearts, now the more hearts are even more coming. So it's on a non-stop
I'm
heart.
surprised to see, sorry to interrupt, I'm surprised to see that a good friend of mine, his name is Bharat, he's a journalist, senior journalist, he has joined this.
Right. Sir, to add on to that, he's the first person to join. He was the first person to join.
Oh, fantastic. Okay.
Yeah, and thank you, Bharat Giorno, for joining with us. I'm sure you did like the session.
You should watch him. He comes on all these TV talk shows, and he's been doing a lot of goodwill presentations. Fantastic, fantastic. And to all others, I've been seeing the names too. So I wish you all the best, and to Sudhakar and to Skills Factory. We'll be in touch. I think it's a small world.
Thank you,
Once the
sir.
lockdown
We
opens
will
up.
definitely be in touch, sir. I
Sure.
think we would need you more than you need us. Thank you so much.
Sure. Great. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.